Did you know 3 tiny cars once braved a forest of sleeping giants to save their friend? When little Spark's SOS light flickered desperately from the dark woods, Officer Pip, the police car, knew they had to act fast. But between them and Spark stood massive monster trucks, snoring like thunder. Nervous Blaze, the fire truck, was shaking, but brave Annie, the ambulance, whispered, "We stick together." They tiptoed past towering wheels and rumbling engines. When they finally reached Spark, trapped under fallen branches, teamwork saved the day. Sometimes the smallest heroes have the biggest hearts.